So we're back in the shed. Now, last week's progress. Basically, I managed to wire up this power connector that goes into the USB charger. If I plug it in, be very careful. We have power. So what I want to do is install one of these switches. Now they've arrived finally. So it means I need to desolder one side of this on the live side. I've got some spare cable here. I'm going to take one of the cables out of the middle of here and solder that to the one side of the switch, and then the other side of the switch back to the power supply. And then hopefully when we flip the switch, power will go and we should be good to go. So I don't have any of the right tools, which is slightly irritating. But first of all, I need to desolder this, and I need to cut the heat shrink. Now, I should have brought scissors out, but I didn't. There we go. Not particularly tidy, but it'll do. So I need to let my soldering iron warm up. And get my little helping hands. And whilst my soldering iron's warming up, I'm just going to strip the end of this cable. Oh, if I had a cable stripper, this would be so much easier. So, when the soldering iron's warmed up, I'm going to tin the ends. So the problem I was having last week, or the last time I did the video, was once I'd soldered everything in place, the power switch didn't appear to be working. So I unsoldered it and resoldered it about 3 different times and finally gave up. So I don't think I need the extra cable, but it might come in handy. It's a slightly less nice day than the last time, so if there's any wind noise on the audio, I apologise. Now, other YouTubers make this look so easy, but I guess they do this all the time. So that's nicely tinned. The live is disconnected. My helping hands don't want to be very handy at the moment. Right, so need tin Okay, before I do the last soldering, bit of soldering, I'm going to plug in that into there, that into there. Don't do this at home. So hey! Oops. That's why we don't really want to do this with like that. So, goody gumdrops. Okie dokie. Let's get this in the helping hand. Some key workers going to work there. Fingers crossed, if we flip this switch now, the light should come on. Hurrah! So we have a power switch for the Raspberry Pi that will fit in the back of the Performa 400 case, and yeah, we will be able to power the system on and off using the switch rather than just simply providing it power. So that's an update, and yeah, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.